Hey everyone, if you are thinking about taking the course Mindfulness coaching and the empowerment course, then don't think longer. I highly recommend Catherine for many reasons. I have done the mindfulness with her one-to-one. I have done it as well for my kids with her, and it's has a pleasant time it was for me, and it was just amazing. She empowered me so much, she gave me so much comfort, she taught me so many techniques that I could use in my daily life, especially because I was going through hard times. And therefore I just can't recommend her enough. To be honest, I'm missing it actually now, because during the time I was speaking with her and listening to the technique to control my feelings, to learn what mindfulness is all about, to how to use it in my daily life, every time after the lesson, the coaching, the session, I felt so much energy after it that I had the feeling after it I can go through those hard times, and I managed. So thanks to her, I really was able to face difficult moments, and I just can't recommend her enough. So if you would like to get to know about mindfulness, if you would like to be empowered, then it is highly recommended to get in touch with Catherine. All the best.